Hi Neha, how are you?
Hi Sameer, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All good, all perfect here.
Good, good, good. So we have been discussing for a very long time that we two are going to be live, and then something at or the other pops up at your end or my end. But then at last today we are over here.
Yes, I'm very glad that we are here and discussing definitely my guide, which has just launched over Christmas. On Christmas, it was launched at.
I was supposed to show the book. I was supposed to show the book, not you. Any which way.
I love doing, being a marketer. That's the positive side also and the negative side also that you can't stop talking about your own product.
So I don't know whether you know or not, but I was into marketing for around 12, 13 years. I was with I was with big brands like SOTC. I was with Tidondas BB Salary. I was with Anchor Head that Beauty Care, and then I was with some advertising agencies also. So I know what kind of work you do because that was the same kind of work which I used to do at one point of time.
Great. So, did you enjoy your marketing time?
I mean, that
Certainly,
time is great.
100%, 100% I enjoyed it.
I'm
100% I
also
enjoyed
loving
it.
it.
Right.
So someone who has joined right now, let me introduce Neha. Neha is basically a book marketer. When I say book marketer, she helps authors gain visibility, be it online or offline. Recently, uh, I believe in Christmas last year, she has come up with this guide of hers, which is called as the Badass Book Marketing Guide. A very different kind of book from what I read every day, which I review every day. So, Neha, first and foremost, congratulations on your book and how is it going?
Thanks a lot. It is going pretty good. And I loved, doing what I really wanted to, helping authors. And now it's just that I have summed up most of my experience in this guide. And I will be coming up with my whole book next Christmas, definitely.
Okay. So, best wishes, and I am looking forward for that book certainly.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Neha, let's get into what we are here today for. That is understanding the basic concept of this book, understanding your thought process behind this book, understanding what were your, what you say, inspirations behind this book. So, Neha, my first question comes with the inspiration part only. So, what inspired you to write this guide, a short guide, the Badass Book Marketing Guide? And what we would like to know is, was there any specific moment which inspired you or that made you realize that this is what is needed and you should pen it down?
Yes. So what inspired me is like it's been like 7 8 years. I was helping authors, telling them, briefing them, mentoring them, like how they can market their books.
Right.
So over a period of time, I thought why I should have not come up with a book till now because many authors are they don't have any awareness about it. So it is kind of I was bridging the gap between publishing houses and the readers because there are so many books are coming out but they are not being marketed. So I thought I just wanted to help authors and readers too to to explore more books, not only bestsellers which are there on the Amazon, but definitely more and more books are coming out with self publishing also, with different publishers also. So that was my motive, to bridge the gap between the publisher and the readers.
Great. So that was basically your inspiration. But Neha, frankly speaking, in India, we really don't understand what marketing is all about. Like when I go out and give out speech on marketing, people assume marketing is sales. So might be authors would also be thinking the same. And for many authors, which I know personally, marketing is something which is like a giant puzzle for them.
Yeah.
Many authors or someone who is completely lost in this whole book industry or how to go to a reader. So, what is the first step he or she should take?
I think the person should know the target audience first. Any of the marketing strategy comes only if you know the target audience. You should know to whom you want to take this book, for to whom you have written this book. So that's the most important and integral part of it. Only then you would be able to strategize anything and everything. So yes, marketing, making people understand the importance of marketing the book is a tough task. It's just lack of awareness. I won't say it's anybody's fault. It's just, I think, lack of awareness. They are not aware about the concept that we should market the book. So for example, nobody was aware कि they have a requirement of WhatsApp. जब WhatsApp आया था, किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि हमें इस चीज की जरूरत है. बट जब आया, then everybody is using it and it is very helpful. In a same way, marketing is really important. अगर जो author समझ जाते हैं, तो it really they are getting benefit out of it. So that's my point. उनको समझाना is my job. I'm mentoring them 24/7 on my, I mean, if you look at my social media, wherever I go to the events, that's my only topic I talk about. It's just I want to mentor them, educate them about the subject.
Right.
Yes.
So basically, Neha, you and me know each other for like 2-3 years now, and we are regular in touch with each other. And when I was going through your profile, I believe it's mentioned over here is you have worked with more than 500 authors. Okay, that's a elephantine number. Okay, so what I want to know from you, Neha, is what is the biggest mistake you see these authors make when it comes to marketing their book? And I won't say it a mistake because they are unaware of what marketing is all about. But still, if you want to say or term it as a mistake, what it would be?
Mistake as in, I will say, over a period of time, they stop talking about their book. So I think that's the mistake. Because if you have any product, unka product is a book, so they have to consistently talk about it and be a little shameless about it. It's okay. You have written something and talking about it. I mean, you have to make it a lifestyle of yours like that. आप किसी से भी अपनी बुक की बात करो तो डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं आपको उससे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज द ओनली मिस्टेक एज ऑफ नाउ. इफ आई हैव टू पिक वन, दैट इज द ओनली मिस्टेक दैट उनको लगता है कि उनका बुक पुरानी हो गई है एंड उनको लगता है फेड आउट हो गया है टाइम उसका. बट ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है. कितनी पुरानी पुरानी बुक्स हैं जो लोग ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ एजेस पढ़ते हैं. सो अगर आप ही अपने प्रोडक्ट की बात नहीं करोगे तो यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट कि पीपल विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट. सो दैट्स आई थिंक वन थिंग आई कैन पिक अप.
Yeah. And when I do my marketing talks, I always say Colgate doesn't need any publicity, but still they are always there anywhere you go, be it on social media, be it offline, be it on television, be it on hoarding. हर जगह पे वो available है. Why? Because they talk about their product. Only when they talk about their product, people would be interested in knowing what the product is all about. So certainly, this is what I also feel. Now, Neha, when it comes to marketing, okay, as I said earlier, people don't understand the basic difference between what sales and marketing is all about. Okay, I always say marketing is something which is done before the sale happens.
Yes.
Okay, and in the guide which we are talking about, okay, you also say the same thing. Is many writers believe that marketing is selling their books, but then in the guide you say it's the impact which is important. Creating an impact is important. So how can an author shift their mindset to focus on making a difference instead of making a sale?
It is a tough task. Very honestly, it's a very tough task because everybody, comes to the agency and they ask कि आप हम लोगों का campaign करोगे तो कितना sales होगा. So I just tell them कि right now you are nobody, right? Nobody knows you. Nobody is aware about your book. So first you have to talk about your book and make a brand out of it. And you don't have to be like very loud about it. Being consistent in certain way. You just have to pick up your niche, go deep into that, and definitely people will start recognizing you. They will be able to relate with your brand and definitely with the book also. So that's how you have to develop the brand, which is very important, and sales will happen gradually. If you're not marketing anything, you're not putting any efforts and you're expecting कि sales नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं होगा. You have to put some efforts and I mean, if you look at Lisa Mangaldas, Seema, all have written about very niche topic and they have made a book out of it, and they are flourishing. They are really flourishing in book world, which is very good. They are really live examples of this.
Neha, when I started marketing somewhere around 2000, year 2000, okay, there was no online. Look, email भी नहीं हुआ करता था at that point of time. Today, it's all about social media. So, what I personally believe, Neha, is social media is a love-hate relation for authors. Okay, this is my personal opinion. You can differ on that. So, that's a love-hate relation for many authors. So, what's one social media strategy that actually works? Give me that one strategy which actually works.
One strategy would be authentic, because you can pick up any platform, but if you are not being authentic and you're trying to copy anyone and trying to be someone else, then you are not being, yourself, which will not make your voice. So you have to, make your own voice, make your own style. It's okay. Because, for example, if all the authors are definitely not, camera friendly, so what they can do, they can go to a LinkedIn, start writing about it, use the same content and go to the medium, make a, content of elaborative way that you can do, go to threads, there also they can write. So for example, you have now created your ecosystem, LinkedIn, threads and this medium. So right now you're not interacting anyone, but again you are making a brand out of it unknowingly.
Right.
And don't have to be in front of the camera, you don't have to go anywhere. So yes, social media ke liye first you have to find your niche, be authentic, and then you can go to any platform and create the content.
Right, right, right. So Neha, you talk a lot about personal branding. Okay, I understand what personal branding is all about. You understand what personal branding is all about. But then authors, not every author understands what personal branding is all about. And when you think that I am just a writer, I am not a brand. Okay, so what is that they should do to build a brand for themselves, which is like natural, which is like very authentic? What is that they should do?
They can again, start their own newsletters. That's, there are certain ways. There is no only one path if you have to make your own brand. So there are certain ways. So for example, newsletter could be one of the third. So you can start your, your own voice, start pitching to the, sending the newsletters to your readers, make a community out of it. And there are so many online and offline communities. Go join them, talk about the books, not only your book, talk about the books, and in a subtle manner people will come to know about you, your brand, your content. So definitely they will understand what you are trying to achieve here. So personal branding is very important. When I started, now to be very honest, I was in that, like, maybe in that the process that only book nerds should be in front, not me. So when I started, putting myself out, started talking about me, what exactly my role, my in my role is in my company, that is majorly the book marketing. Then that's how I came to know, came up with the word book marketing girls. Only then, when I started working on my self branding, definitely I saw the results. Trust me. So it will bring the results. But yes, being consistent, be authentic, and talk to people and join book communities. I mean, there are so many book communities online and offline. Go join, talk to them, talk to people. So you will naturally, start talking like you are a brand. It happens over a period of time.
So Neha, when I was into marketing, with you are in the marketing field right now, there is one word which always pops up every now and then is the budget part.
Mhm.
And many of the authors which I know, they say we don't have lakhs and lakhs of rupees to spend on promoting our book, go to different book related events, so on and so forth. So if I have only a few thousand rupees for marketing, okay, where should I put in wherein I can get the biggest impact?
You don't have to spend even a single penny. Trust me. So, for example, you are an author. You are come up with a book. Okay, you have to start talking about it beforehand. अब अगर आपको इंस्टाग्राम पे एक रील बनाना है, ठीक है, उसमें आपका कोई मॉनिटरी वो नहीं चाह रहा है. You have to just make a reel and post it on the Instagram. In a similar manner, अगर आप लिंक्डइन पे भी कुछ लिखोगे अपनी बुक के बारे में, उसमें भी आपका 0 मनी स्पेंड हो रहा है। ठीक है? सो देयर आर सो मेनी वेज़। अगर आप कोई कम्युनिटी आपने बुक क्लब जॉइन की हुई है, वहाँ पे आप जाकर बात करोगे अपनी किताब की, दैट इज़ आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड नो मनी। So, with zero amount, you can do your marketing like anything. It's just that you have to do your hard work at least. और आपको लगता है कि if you are not, able to pull it off, then definitely you have to spend some money to hire some people. Another aspect is you can create your own team. You can hire people and tell them this is my requirement. That can be your social media team or maybe your PR team. आप उनको briefing दे दो and then they will work accordingly. उसके लिए you should have some budget. But अगर if you think you are a debut author and you don't have any budget, you don't have any knowledge, because आजकल इतने सारे apps आ गए हैं, Canva is there.
Right.
So आपको अगर कोई वीडियो भी बनाया है, you can edit it, make some graphic designing on it, and you can do AI is also there if you need any help. So you don't need any budget for market your book. So it's a myth, major myth, because people keep saying we don't have any marketing budget. अगर आप किसी और को hire कर रहे हो, then you should have a budget. But if you are, um, enough for yourself, if you are a self learned person, आजकल YouTube पे बहुत वीडियोस हैं जिनको आप देख देख के खुद ही सीख के आप उसका कंटेंट बना सकते हो, ब्लॉग्स लिख सकते हो, अपनी वेबसाइट डेवलप कर सकते हो। तो आज के दिन में तो बहुत इजी है ये सब चीजें, एंड यू डोंट नीड एनी मनी फॉर दैट, ट्रस्ट मी।
Okay. Okay. Great. So there are many platforms which are available free of cost. The only thing what an author needs to do is he or she needs to be proactive. This is what I from me.
थोड़ा सा सेल्फ लर्निंग कब होगा तो दैट पर्सन वुड बी एबल टू इजीली पुल इट ऑफ।
Right. So Neha, I always say everything it is temporary. Only one thing which is constant is change. And the publishing industry is changing day in and day out. Like I work in the publishing industry, you work in the publishing industry. We understand how the trends are changing on a daily basis. Okay. So taking that into consideration, okay, what are the top book marketing trend where the author needs to pay attention?
Top marketing trends. There are many again. I mean, must be readers, listeners must be thinking she's saying there are plenty of things, because these days there are plenty of things. So the marketing trends could be, if the person is not based in India, they can go to TikTok. In fact, Sable is very good. Sable is an app where book communities are very active there. Readers are very active there. Goodreads is on the platform. Amazon is there one of the platform. So, reels you can make. There are unlimited trends going on. Keeping the platform in mind, and you can go ahead with any of the platforms, trend. These are like book influencers are in trend. Practically, if we see big book influencers, if they're posting any post about the book, so people are really getting influenced by that. So that is one trend I think that is very much in, and people should utilize that. The taking the bookstagrammers help, book influencers help. Why not? They are doing their work very well, so we can utilize their efforts for sure.
Okay. When it comes to influencers, Instagrammers, I would ask you something which is very near to me are the book reviews. Okay. Now, what exactly as a marketer you think book reviews play a role in whole of the marketing mix?
Reviews, yes, they do. For example, user generated content. That is one of the, trend which is going on, user generated content. तो जहाँ पे ऑथेंटिक यूजर एक बुक बाय करता है, वो अपना रिव्यू डालता है, उसको कुछ इंडस्ट्री से लेना देना नहीं है, उसका कोई बायस्ड ओपिनियन नहीं है। तो अगर वो रिव्यू डाल रहा है, ऑथेंटिक है, तो यस, पीपल विल गो बाय दैट रिव्यू। रिव्यू कैन बी इन रिटन फॉर्मेट ऑल्सो, जैसे जो हम Amazon पे पढ़ते हैं, दैट कुड बी इन वीडियो फॉर्मेट ऑल्सो। सो यस, रिव्यू रियली मैटर्स। अगर मुझे भी कोई बुक लेना होता है तो आई जस्ट इट्स जस्ट ह्यूमन हैबिट। अगर हमें Amazon पे कोई प्रोडक्ट भी लेना है, Myntra पे कोई ड्रेस लेनी है, एक बार हम जाके स्क्रॉल करके देखते हैं कि इसका रिव्यू कैसा आया है। उसके रिव्यू के बेसिस पे इट्स वेरी ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस कि आपको वो चीज़ या तो अच्छी लगने लगती है अगर अच्छे रिव्यूज हैं। अगर आपको लगता है ना 2-3 गंदे रिव्यूज हैं, यू विल मूव ऑन टू अनदर प्रोडक्ट। तो इन अ सिमिलर वे बुक्स के साथ भी ऐसा है। अगर आपको लगता है कि सारे ही रिव्यूज अच्छे हैं। अच्छा, वैसे सारे रिव्यूज अच्छे होना भी इट्स अलार्मिंग, कोर्स सी सी दैट्स कैज़ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर। सारे रिव्यूज अच्छे हैं, दैट इज आल्सो अलार्मिंग दैट आई मीन वन प्रोडक्ट कांट बी लाइकेबल बाय एवरीवन। सो वो भी थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स फेक, राइट? तो ये पेड है तो उस पे नहीं जाना चाहिए। इट कुड बी अ मिक्स बैग ऑफ डिसेंट एवरीथिंग। सो आई थिंक यस, रिव्यू मैटर्स फॉर श्योर।
Okay, okay, great, great, great. But also negative reviews matter.
Of course. So negative review matters, but sometimes, author. So negative review matters for whom? For a reader or for an author?
For an author, I am. For see, this whole whatever we are doing is for an author. So
Negative reviews, there are two ways of taking the negative review. एक तरीका ये होता है कि you are taking it as a in a constructive way, और फिर आप अपनी next book में या उसके revised edition में you are making that improvements. That is one thing. और फिर ये होता है if you are taking the negative review and you are starting replying to the users कि आपने ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया, that you can't do. Recently what happened, जैसे चलते-चलते कभी मेरे को भी ना आई कीप टॉकिंग टू ऑथर्स, तो मेरे को भी कंटेंट एकदम से दिमाग में आ जाता है। तो आई वाज़ टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ द ऑथर, तो मेरे दिमाग में ये कंटेंट आया, आई मेड अ रील आउट ऑफ इट, वेरी रैंडम। बिकॉज़ समटाइम्स बड़ी रैंडम चीज़ होती है, ऐसा नहीं है हम लोग लाइट चेक कर रहे हैं, कैमरा क्वालिटी चेक कर रहे हैं, मन में आया मैंने बना दिया। उसपे सो द कंटेंट वाज़ वेरी रिलेवेंट, सो वन ऑफ द ऑथर आस्क्ड मी कि वो रील देख के ही सेड कि आप मेरी बुक प्रमोट कर दोगे मैम? मैंने कहा हाँ, व्हाई नॉट, इट्स माय वर्क, आई विल डू इट। तो मैंने उसको एक टॉपमेट लिंक भेजा। सो टॉपमेट इज अ paid calls where they have to book a call to discuss their marketing strategy. Because why I have introduced my paid calls, because sometimes you get so many random people, they just want to talk to you. तो जब आप उनसे वीडियो कॉल पे मीट पे बातें करते हो ना, इधर उधर की बातें करते हैं और 1 घंटा आपका वेस्ट कर देते हैं, सर्विसेज नहीं लेते। अब आई रियली वैल्यू माई टाइम। अब मेरा 1 घंटा खराब हो गया, ठीक है, तो आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस टॉपमेट फॉर माई पेड कॉल्स। अब जब उसको पेड कॉल का लिंक गया, अभी तक तो वो मुझसे प्राइवेट में चैट कर रहा था, ठीक है? उसने पब्लिक में कमेंट डाला मेरे को, "ओह गॉड, यू हैव अ विलेज टाइप ऑफ एक्सेंट एंड हाउ कम यू आर प्रमोटिंग द ऑथर्स?" अब मैंने उसको बोला बोला आपके जैसे स्कैमर्स कितने लोग हैं जो लोगों का बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं। आई वाज लाइक, देखो अगर आपको नहीं पेड कॉल करना है मत करो, है ना? तब तक तो आप प्राइवेट में चैट कर रहे थे पेड कॉल का। बट जब तक पेड कॉल लिंक नहीं गया था, जैसे ही पेड गया तो मतलब देयर इज नो हार्म। अगर मैं अपना नॉलेज शेयर कर रही हूँ, अपना टाइम दे रही हूँ, और उसमें आपको छोटा-सा चंक देना पड़ गया है, तो जस्ट वैल्यू दैट एंड एजुकेट योरसेल्फ कि लोग अपनी कंसल्टेशन फी रखते हैं। इट्स अ वेरी नॉर्मल फिनोमेना कि अगर कोई लोग कंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, तो दे हैव अ डॉक्टर के भी जाते हैं तो कंसल्टेशन चार्जेस होते हैं। किसी अगर स्पिरिचुअलिटी ग्रुप में आते हैं, उनके भी होते हैं। तो लाइक बुक मार्केटिंग की कंसल्टेशन के चार्जेस होते हैं, व्हिच अगेन इज़ अ वेरी हार्ड टास्क टू मेक पीपल अंडरस्टैंड दिस। उनको लगता है अभी पहले हम पूछ तो लें आपसे, आप हमें ज्ञान तो दे दें 1 घंटे का, फिर हम आपको बताएँगे। सो इट रियली हैपेंस ऑफ्टन्स।
great, great, great. So when I was going through this book of yours, okay, uh, lot of actionable content is seen in this book, okay, which I feel is very much valuable, and the book is more valuable because it has actionable content in it. So if an author could only do one thing today to boost the visibility, okay, either be it of the author or of the book, what is that the author should do? Just one thing, just tell us one thing.
That would be just word of mouth publicity. That still works, it's a very old phenomena. हमेशा से लोग करते आ रहे हैं इस बारे में, but it really works. That's what I, initially when the session started, I told you have to make a habit and a lifestyle of it. आप अपने बुक के बारे में इतना बात करो कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी कहाँ मिल जाए। यू रियली नेवर नो। अगर आप किसी अपने फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हो सकता है उसका कोई ऐसा कनेक्शन हो जो आपको एक सेशन कंडक्ट करने को दे दे, या फिर आप अपने स्कूल में किसी बच्चे के पेरेंट्स से जाके बात कर रहे हो, यू नेवर नो आपको क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए। तो दे आर, यू हैव टू जस्ट मेक अ लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट योर बुक, योर ब्रांड। एंड मतलब लोगों को भगाना नहीं है। कई बार लोग बहुत ओवर कर देते, वैसा नहीं करना, बट सटल मैनर, मतलब बी यू शुड नो वेयर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन। ओवर भी नहीं जाना है, बट सटल मैनर कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, ऑनलाइन, ऑफलाइन, एंड वर्ड ऑफ माउथ इज वन थिंग, यस आई विल से that will never fade out. Yes.
और खुद के बारे में बात करना, खुद के काम के बारे में बात करना, इसमें शर्म की कोई बात तो है नहीं, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली है मी इन जनरल।
हाँ, तो हमारे लोग ऑथर्स कई बार कहते हैं कि अरे मैं अपने बुक की बात कैसे करूँ, मुझे तो बड़ी शर्म आएगी। अरे मतलब यू हैव टू बी अ शेमलेस मार्केटर, द टाइम, द मोमेंट यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू राइटिंग अ बुक, उसी मोमेंट पे आपको डिसाइड कर लेना है, नाउ यू आर अ शेमलेस मार्केटर, टॉक अबाउट योर बुक, योर प्रोडक्ट shamelessly and be confident about it because not everybody is writing. सो इट्स ऑलरेडी यू आर डूइंग अ वेरी हार्ड पार्ट, आप लिख के ही इतना बड़ा काम कर रहे हो तो उसके बारे में बताने में आई डोंट थिंक कोई बुराई है। बस वही है, थोड़ा सा आपको वो लोगों को भगाना नहीं है, बता बता के जस्ट वेयर टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन एंड बी सटल अबाउट इट।
So Neha, if I ask you to just give out 3 words which will sum up what exactly the book is all about or the guide is all about, okay, what would be those 3 words?
3 words would be book marketing mentor. I think it is all self-explanatory words which will make people understand. It is book marketing mentor.
Great, great, great. And Neha, you are a book marketing person, called as a book marketing girl, okay, but you are an author as well, okay. So writing a book about book marketing, okay. So what was the toughest part about putting this book together? क्या क्या परेशानी आई? What was your thought process? What were the difficulties which you faced? Just let us know about that.
डिफिकल्टीज आई, कई बार ऐसा होता है यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, बट कई बार ना ट्रेंड्स भी चेंज होते जा रहे हैं, बट डेफिनेटली बिकॉज 9 ईयर से एक ही काम आप करे जा रहे हो, चीज़ें इवॉल्व हो रही हैं, प्लेटफॉर्म्स इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, लोग इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, तो उन चीज़ को सम अप करके लिखना ही इज़ अ वेरी टास्क, काइंड ऑफ अ हार्ड टास्क फॉर मी। कई बार चीज़ें याद नहीं रहती, तो आई थिंक yes, the hardest part was I was just thinking, should I write my experience actually the way it has happened, or should I tweak it just to make it more pleasing for people? So क्योंकि कई बार this industry is like, ऐसा नहीं है आपको बहुत ही pleasant experience हमेशा होंगे, they are always ups and downs. So कई बार client आपको गुस्सा भी कर देता है, डाँट भी देता है कि आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं। आई मीन यू आर पुटिंग ऑल योर एफर्ट्स, समटाइम्स रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते बिकॉज़ सब बुक पे सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज़ वर्क नहीं करती। यू हैव टू टेस्ट एंड ट्राई मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड सी व्हाट इज़ वर्किंग फॉर दैट। सो ड्यूरेशन में कई बार ऑथर्स इतने इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं, सो दे स्टार्ट टॉकिंग कि कैसे कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, रिजल्ट्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं, बुक बेस्ट सेलर क्यों नहीं बन रही है। So writing those experiences were really hard for me. In fact, I'm still, writing my book. I'm still thinking, writing those experiences. How should I put it? So that people will not get afraid also कि अरे ऐसा भी होता है. So yes, that was the hardest part for me.
Okay. Okay. And Neha, if any author wants to get connected with you, avail your services, what are the kind of services which you offer and how they should connect with you?
So the services, kind of services we are offering as under the agency is like, for example, कोई author आता है हमारे पास, we just ask them कि do you understand social media platforms? How active are you in the literary circuit of your city or your country? And how well you are comfortable in front of the camera. So there are so many questionnaire, right? The purpose of it कि हमको फिर उसमें से क्या क्या करना होगा। अगर ऑथर इज ऑलरेडी, कुछ ऑथर्स होते हैं उनको बस मेंटोरिंग चाहिए होती है, उनको बस आपसे सुनना है, बट एग्जीक्यूशन वो खुद करेंगे। लेकिन कुछ ऑथर्स होते हैं, वो बोलते हैं दे आर इन कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एंड दे आर नो टाइम, दे आर जस्ट कंटिन्यूसली ट्रैवलिंग, तो उनका सब कुछ हमें देखना पड़ता है, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम क्रिएटिंग देयर इंस्टाग्राम पेज और लिंक्डइन पेज, ऑप्टिमाइजिंग देयर प्रोफाइल, developing their photo, high resolution photo for the page, and then creating their fantastic banner, and then optimizing their bio. There are so many, like hundreds of things that you have to do in a certain way, and then working on their strategy. So every Saturday we have a team meeting where we discuss, okay, this is the fantasy book, how we should work towards it. So this is the spirituality book. How should we work towards it? Should we go for the threads first, or should we go for the Instagram reels first? So yes, there's a lot of research work going behind that. And so if any author has to reach out to us, they can directly go to our website, that is booknerds.in. And वहाँ पे हम लोग का agency link है. They can click and they'll get most of the information. They can email us, they can contact us, drop their query also. My team will reach out to them. So that's how anybody can reach out to us.
Great, great, great. नेहा, बात तो कितनी भी हो सकती है. You know, I can ask you questions. I know you can answer.
And like this topic, you can't even stop talking about it.
Right, right, right. So because I forgot what exactly I was going to ask you. So when is the book coming out?
Okay, so writing part is almost about to done. So I am targeting Christmas, 2025 Christmas. That's my target, but rest is depending on the publishers. I'm looking out for the publisher also. I know to whom I want to reach out, but yes, it will take time. But this Christmas, I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. Let's see कि कुछ हो जाए.
So last Christmas we got this.
Yes.
Next Christmas, the coming Christmas, we will be getting an expanded and enriched version of this guy,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, that will be my gift for the authors, so that it will help them to understand book marketing, and they will start executing all these tricks and techniques to make their book visible to the people.
Great. Thank you so much, Neha, for joining over here, letting people understand what marketing is all about, what budgets are all about, which social media platform is important. So there are a lot many things which an author, a first time author or a seasoned author can take out from this conversation. Thank you once again for coming on this platform and helping out authors the way you do always. Thank you. So
Thanks a lot for hosting me. I really love the conversation. I really hope if the authors are listening to that and looking at this video, they should take some takeaways from this video and should start applying these to make their market their book. So this is the guide. They can take a look from on my website also if they want to buy, and keep reading, keep writing till then.
chalo, see you. Bye bye.
Bye. Yeah, bye bye. Thanks a lot.